Welcome to Study IT YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you the basic of Jupyter Notebook. So I already discussed how to download and install the Jupyter Notebook. So please subscribe my YouTube channel Study IT for the regular update and the regular content for the data science and the other technology. So just start for the Jupyter Notebook. So when you start the Jupyter Notebook, you find the this type of the URL is open. So when Jupyter notebook is open, you can find the by default this folder is created, and this folder is whatever folder created under the user, under the whatever the user the folder is showing same in the Jupyter Notebook home page. So if you want to create the new folder, just you can create here, or either you can create through the Jupyter Notebook. So in the right corner we have the new button, and there's one folder. If you click the folder, one new folder is by default created by the name untitled, here this name is showing untitled folder, and the timing is showing 1 second ago. So if you want to rename this folder, just check this folder and the click here, and we have found one option is there, rename and move. Whatever, if you want to delete this folder, just you can delete or you can rename it whatever you want. So this video I will show you the content and what is the future of the Jupyter, how can we work with the Jupyter programming language, because this is a very useful, very helpful, user-friendly platform, IDE platform to work Python coding. And for this, if you open the Jupyter, you can find the only three options: file, second one is running. The running option in the tab is showing the what the Python file Jupyter Notebook is running in current. I open 4 notebook. So this all 4 notebook here is showing. If you want anyone to shut down, then the running status got shut down. So this is the basic, and the third one is the cluster. So if you open any of the notebook by clicking, if you click here, new option is there. I install both Python and R. If you want to open Python, if you want to open R, just you can click on this option. I want to open the Python. If you open the Python, by default new notebook is open and the name is by default untitled. So this is the you can change the name here, just you can click here. So they give the option. So you can put the any name. So I put it like example text. So name text is selected, and you can go here and you can find the text notebook is selected. Just you can see here the icon is showing green because of this is running. If it's showing the black, this code is current, is not running. So another option is there. So if you want to upload an existing file, then you can just upload it by click the upload option. Suppose I want to upload this file, Python visualization v2, then if you click this one and you can click the upload button, you can find the Python visualization v2 is got uploaded. I will show you. You can check here the timing. So this is a second again. So Python visualization v2 is uploaded, but it's showing the, if you open in any new tab, you can say that the icon will be changed to green color because this code is running. And the third option is you can see here the last modify, and you can arrange by the name. So if you want to create new notebook in any of the folder, yes, you can click the folder and you can create the notebook, upload the notebook. So after the this option, if you create the any notebook, like suppose I open this notebook, you can find the more option here: file, edit, view, insert, shell, kernel. So I will tell you one by one. So in the Jupyter Notebook, they provided the Python programming to execute on shell. Each shell you can write the programming. If you want to insert, just click one button. So suppose if you want to use some programming, you can use x equal to 5, and I want to execute this one. I run. You can and see here the output here only. You want to run the different set of the code in the different cell. Here you can check the new file. Under file you can find the new notebook. Open here existing notebook, make a copy. They will make a one another copy. So test copy 1 is there. Save and check point. By default, if you writing any code, by default the Jupyter Notebook is saving. No need to control S and something each and every point. So this is the auto save, and if you revert the save back, suppose when the last coding is done, if you want to revert back from that day, so the code is got reverted, and you can download a notebook. See, this notebook is Jupyter Notebook, this is Python. If you click the notebook, it got downloaded. So the extension is IPYNB. So just you can check here, the folder got downloaded in the download, and you can upload in future, or you can save in a GitHub or something location where you want to use for the future. So you can save in that location, and any user they want to use the code, they can upload in Jupyter Notebook, and then they can execute the code. And the main last is download, and if this one is the Python, so the extension is .py. You can also download as HTML, Markdown. So a Markdown is nothing but is code got hide. Like suppose if you want to give any instruction, like I am discussing, like I am creating the variable example. So if you execute this one, the Jupyter Notebook will throw the error. They can so what you need to do, you should just select a Markdown and just you can execute it. So this is the help. We can say that help while doing the programming. So can any other developer developing using the same code, they can understand what the part is executing, or why this code is written by the developer. So this is a very helpful for other developer. So we can use the Markdown. Here the file, the same option, split cell, move cell, all the option also available in here also. So suppose if you want to move the up and down, so they will up and down, they will move. So by default, if you want to run the code, just you can write the code something y is equal to 6 and print the y. I will show you the programming. So press Ctrl Enter, the output got executed. And if you want to insert new cell, just you can click here. So this is the basic of the Jupyter Notebook and the how the Jupyter is working. So Jupyter Notebook is a IDE, integrated development environment. So very useful in the data science, Python programming. Here the keystroke, add a new line and Alt Enter, execute, Control Enter, delete a cell, Control D. If you want to comment the cell, suppose if I don't want to execute this like test, so just put the hash before, so they this is commented. The shortcut key is Control / for the comment and remove. So the code is not got executed by the Python engine. So this is the basic of the Jupyter Notebook, Markdown, Jupyter Future, auto identification, press tab to filling. If you want to press tab, then lots of package, lots of library available. So this is the basic of the Jupyter Notebook. So next video I will start the basic programming of the Jupyter in the Python, like data type. I will start from the data type. So if you don't watch the previous video, please go in my playlist, that data science tutorial for beginner and beginner using Python. You can watch each and every video before starting the coding. So thank you for watching. If you want the same video in the Hindi language, if you can subscribe my other YouTube channel, Pandey Guruji. Thank you so much.